Hi, this is Rida and welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create menu and sub-menu WordPress website with beta editor. So let's go to the video. Okay, let's first have a look how your home pages look like. So in our previous video in WordPress tutorial, this is a free WordPress tutorial, so don't miss this chance. Go and check all other videos. The link in the description, and you can see over here we have some menu and some menu. I'm going to tell you how to create or edit or customize this. So let's go to edit site. Okay, first of all, this is called header. In header we have our website name, we have some menus, we have the phone number, the link over here. Okay, let's click on that and click on here, click on menu. For example, you have home, services and blog and content menu over here. If you want to add any menu, you see a button over here, click on here, and for example you want to add a menu. For example, like you want to add a menu, like privacy policy right here, and click on enter. So as you can see over here, let's save it and have a look how it's look on our website. See the privacy policy menu now here. Okay, if you want to change the color of this, click here and select all. See here you're seeing text color over here. If you want to change the text, for example you want to do black, you can see now it's black. Save and have a look, refresh, and now you can see it's all over black over here. For example, now you want to enter a sub menu over here. In which menu you want to enter some menu, click on that. For example, I want to add in contact. For example, I want to enter in contact like term and policy. I click here, and from here you can see a add sub menu. You're seeing option here. Let's click on that, and you will see a box appear here. Click on plus and add whatever link you want to enter over here. A name, for example, I want to write here privacy policy or term and condition. For example, term and condition, and then click on enter, click on save, and have a look how to look it now. Okay, you can see now in contact we have some menu, sub menu. Okay, click term and condition. If you want to change the size, for example you want to change this one size, go here, and from here you can change like large. Okay, if you want to change color of all, select all, and you can select the color size from here. For example, I want to size is 25. Okay, so now size is increased. Click on save and have a look how it's look now. Refresh, and as you can see the size is increased now. If you want to change any more color changing, and select all. If you want to change color, select all. If you want to add a background, you can add a background. For example, if you want to add this type of background, you can add. Okay, if you want to change the sub menu or overlay text text color you can change from it. For example, I do it pink and click on save and have a look how it's look now. See, it's now pink. It's now pink. Okay. You can also change the color appearance from here. Click on three dots. You can change the font family, letter spacing, decoration, letter case, and if you want to reset all, you can click on reset, and it will be reset. Okay, from here, now you know how to create some menu and sub menu in your WordPress website, in your home page. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any curious question, ask me in comment. I will help you. And don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon so you will be notified when the other video of this free WordPress course is come. See you in another video. Take care.